Good morning, everyone. Who do not know Raghuram Rajan? He is the former governor of Reserve Bank of India and the person behind motto of financial inclusion and PMJDY. When I'm talking about financial inclusion, it is nothing but banking facilities to the all over the country and every corner of the country. And the PMJDY is the scheme that is provide the facilities to the every Indian who are want to get banking facilities at their doorstep or at rural areas, or you want to set up a MSME. Okay, MSME means micro, small and medium enterprises. So I'm talking about today about the PMJDY and the MSME. You became confused about these two words. Why these two words is became a block and why these two words is coming under the financial inclusions. Because the recent topic that is coming up in the mind that Raghuram Rajan has tweeted on one of his video that the India is going to become face a lot of background crisis down the 6 months because of the this pandemic adverse recessions. On one side, the government of India provide a lot of facilities to the people by provide the 10 crores package or 20 lakh crores package by the Indian government. But it is important that we should not focus on the credit rating rather than focus on the expenses. When I'm talking about the expenses, it means that our expenditure, it means that the amount that is gone through this PMJDY or they're going to the account of the this MSME or the person who is starting his or her MSME sector. It is very much important that the business should run. But due to this pandemic situation, the business has stopped. The business have stopped temporarily and people stop to go to the different shops or different location in order to because of this corona pandemic viruses. So it is means that pm that it means that the whatever the money that is spent on these things, it is defined that we have to focus on the expenditure, not the ratings, that he has tweeted on his recent video. So I'll give you the what exactly his view on one of the topic. Okay, so on his topic he has tweeted that the financial sector is in deep trouble as the pandemic induced recession will lead to an unprecedented level of bad loans in 6 months. The pandemic will adversely affect the players in the economy. It means who are the people mostly affected about the MSME sectors, micro, small, medium enterprises. So what exactly a micro, small, and medium enterprises? Why it is coming into the concern? Today on this video, I'm going to speak about that. What exactly are the micro, small, medium enterprises? Why the RBI governor tweeted like in such a way that it will, because of this, we have to face a bad loan crisis or the NPA, non-performing assets in the bank. So what he has tweeted is a focus on two things. He has focused that focusing on credit rating is nuts. Focus should be on expenditure, how to come out of the recessions. It means that we do not have to focus on the credit ratings, which is nuts, which is like a man-made. But on this other side, we have to think about the expenditure, like how the business will grow. Okay, so the MSME, which is the most important or the backbone of our country, that's why the government provided 20 lakh crores package to this MSME sector in order to revive it. If you want to revive, then you have to most focus on the expenditure purpose. Okay, so what exactly a MSME and what exactly that we have to think about the MSME, I have to discuss on this video. So whenever talking about the MSME is contribute the 45% of Indian employment. Okay, and it contribute the 50% of export, and it contribute the 90% of industry are in our MSME sectors in India, and the 6,500 product variety of products are coming under the MSME, and the Indian GDP, which is 10%, or the 20 crores package and 20 lakh crores package, which is government granted by the Indian government, is 10% of GDP is coming under the MSME and to revive the MSME sector. Okay, so whenever about MSME, I will tell about what are the things that is coming under the MSME. It is nothing but that it is basically a micro, small, medium enterprises. Okay, so it means that the enterprises which are under the small categories provide, which have a small investment, that's called an MSME. Okay, so this pandemic recessions has really affected this MSME sector because the income, the expenditure is pretty less. The people who are going to stop to this, to the shops in order to purchase that things, okay, on order to make expenses. So what are the things that is coming under MSME is all about your packaged goods. Okay, it means that the chips, the lays, the biscuits, which is convenient, that is a kind of food which is coming under MSME. The fruits, what are the fruits you are consuming, what are that's coming, the production is coming under the MSME sector. Your kirana shops, people are going to stop to visit the kirana shop because of this pandemic situations. The third, fourth is restaurant. Restaurant, you know that the government has told that in a lockdown you don't have to go to the restaurant, you can order the food. Okay, and the online. That's why the restaurants is giving less expenses on expenditures. Okay, and the other thing about milk, milk products, that is, you know about Amuls. Okay, the milk powder, and if you think about the fisheries, the sugarcane industry, the the heavy the vehicles, the cosmetic shops, the electronic, the automobile, the tailor shop, and the hardware. These all are the shops is coming under industry. But the one important thing is that whenever you are providing the loans to this industry, it means important that the industry has to be grow so that they can pay back your loans. When it is not able to pay back your loans, so that loan is called as bad loans, provided it has to be bad for the 3 months. Okay, it has to be unpayable within 3 months. That's why it's coming under the bad loans. But this MSME industry is largely affected because though one side this government is providing the loans, providing the packages to the industry, but it's important that the MSME has to be grow in the one side. The expenditure has to be grow so that they can pay back the loans. If the MSME will not grow, so what is the chance that they will pay back the loans and they can do their income purposefully? If they don't pay back the loans, that loan is impacted to the bank and it became a bad loans, and that will be a cause of the recessions. Okay, and our GDP will decline, our gross domestic product, which I discussed in the earlier classes in the last video. Okay, so definitely we have to think about the expenditure, that is more important. So what is the when I'm thinking about the MSME, we have to think about a person can start a MSME sector, or a person can be start about a sector like whatever the example I have told, with a small investment. But the government of India recently, due to the situations, have they have revised the investment category on these sections. Okay, so when the previous investment for the micro enterprises is 2.5 lakh, it has they have replaced with the 1 crores. It means the person who wants to get a 1 crore investment, that's called that is called an MSME sector. When you think about the small sector, it is coming at 5 crore. I was thinking about 5 crores before, but now the investment is 10 crores, provided the turnover is 50 crores. And the medium sector, which is previously 10 crores, now the medium sector we can invest up to 20 crores, provide 100 crores. So these all are the investment that has been revised, so the people are more focusing on the things and become a self-independent or Atmanirbhar. Okay, so that is very much important. So people who are focusing on this MSME sector, it is very much important that it will helpful for development of country, but it is very much that the expenditure should be good, so that it will improve the GDP of a country. Okay, last time you have seen my mobile examples. Okay, So because of this situation, corona situation, the expenditure have stopped radically. So whatever the loans that is going to the different shops or different the micro small enterprises, it stopped due to this their expenditure is less, there is growth is very less, and they are starving to making pay the loans if the certain time will come. Okay, there's a difficulty in the payment of loans. Okay, so what are the benefits that is coming under the MSME? I will tell about. The government has provided the recent when they provide the tax benefit. When I'm thinking about a heavy industry, what about thinking about oil and refine? They are coming under heavy industry. Well, they're getting a tax of 30%, while the MSME is getting over the 12% only. Okay, tax. Whatever the thing. And the investment now they revise. So whatever the investment, they have only pay the 12% taxes. Okay, they'll get the easily bank loan facility. When I'm talking about the bank loan facility, the bank loan facility is going to a PMJDY. One of the facilities given by the by the former Reserve Bank of India Governor Raghuram Rajans to the financial inclusion. That's called a PMJDY, which is a Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Okay, on the other side the interest rate is less, so with the interest rate less you can get, and you can open a shop, so you can open your business that will helpful for generating income, or you become a self-independent. The other thing that it easily get the license. Okay, license means like when I'm thinking about license, definitely the other sectors like heavy industry, when it's difficult to get license, there is a lot of things that is coming into conclusion when you're thinking about the NGT, which is nothing but National Green Tribunal, which is created a problem when getting a license, where like how much it provide the benefit to the environment and a lot of things. So for the micro small enterprises, this restriction is not there. Okay, NGT is not there because this created a lot of problems, in order to set up a business. This is only applicable for the long term business, not for the short term purpose. And the last one is certificate. They will get easily certificate. There is no problem of going to a station, police stations. They can easily get a certificate, and the preference will always be given the first time. Okay, so these are all the things that is coming under the that is micro small medium enterprises if you want to start the business. But the important thing is that this concern is their expenditure, which I have discussed on earlier with my video. If the expenditure good, they are able to provide the loans returns to the bank. Otherwise it create a lot of bad loans, and bank is going to be in a dark conditions, and the problem is hamper to our country. Okay, so let's talk about the another thing which I have discussed earlier, that's PMJDY, which is coming under the financial inclusion, and it started in 2014, and the person behind it none other than the Raghuram Rajan, former Reserve Bank of India Governor. Okay, so when we're talking about the PMJDY, a person can take a loan from a bank without any kind of hustles, and he can open his business and make an income and become a self-independent, or when we can say Atmanirbhar in Hindi. Okay, so that is very much important. Correct. So whenever thinking about the PMJDY, let's think about the it is briefly what exactly the PMJDY. All right. So okay. All right. So this business is PMJDY was started in the year of 2014. This is meant for the people who are in the who want to start their business, and this business is only used for the people who was those. So the minimum thing that you don't have to deposit anything, and you can open an account. Okay, and that is very much important. Okay, and you can take a deposit up to 1000, and you can take a loans, or you can take a deposit up to you can get a credit up to 1 lakh, but whatever you want, take a if you want to take a withdrawal, you can take a 1000 minimum withdrawal. Okay, so that is very much important. Okay, so this is the thing that is started by due to the financial inclusion, so that a direct benefit transfer can be possible through this PMJDY. All right. So the government of India has suggested this PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, and in order to promote the industry, micro small medium enterprises, and this will helpful for the for the purpose of financial inclusions. Okay. So the next video I'm going to tell about the more about the PMJDY, and today this video is all about MSME and the recessions that is created bad loans, all about that. Hope you understand something from the topic. Till now, goodbye, and thank you so much for watching my video.